This faceless history video got 5 million views. It was made with zero budget, no camera, and no editing experience, using only free AI tools. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you the exact step-by-step workflow I used, including a master prompt that does 90% of the work for you automatically. But pay close attention to step 3, because most people skip that part, and it's the reason most AI videos look cheap instead of cinematic. Step 1. I have a master prompt. It's in the description below. Paste it into ChatGPT and it instantly generates 10 history video ideas. Choose the one you like and ChatGPT will generate full 60-second script, image prompts for every scene, and motion prompts for animation. One prompt, everything done. Now copy the script. We move to the voiceover. For the voiceover, go to Google AI Studio, completely free. It sounds more human than most paid tools. Click Text to Speech, select the first model, choose Single Speaker. Paste your script, pick a voice, I use this one for history content, click Generate, and download it. Now here's a quick upgrade. Upload that audio file to Adobe Podcast Enhance. It's also free. It makes your voice sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. Takes 30 seconds and the difference is huge. Okay, this is step 3, the tool I mentioned at the start. Most people skip this and use basic image generators, and that's exactly why their videos look amateur. Go to Flow AI. This is a free image generator, but it's completely different from the others because it automatically handles cinematic lighting, shadows, and texture. Paste the image prompt that ChatGPT already generated for you. Hit Generate. Look at that quality, and it costs nothing. Static images don't go viral. Motion does. So now we animate. Open Grok AI, go to Imagine and select Animate Image, upload the Flow AI image you just downloaded, then paste the motion prompt from ChatGPT. Remember, it already generated that for you. Hit Generate and watch what happens. That's a cinematic animated shot for free. Repeat this for every scene and you'll have a full professional video sequence ready to edit. For editing, I will use Filmora, but you can use any software you like. Now import all the Grok clips and the voiceover into the Filmora. Add the voiceover in the timeline. Now adjust the clips according to the voiceover. You can divide this video into 2 parts or make a 1-minute full short. Once clips are synced with the voiceover, add some transactions in it. Now add a cinematic background music. And that's all. You just created a historical short video. Pro tip, if you are using CapCut, you can use auto caption options to make this video more engaging. That's the complete workflow. ChatGPT for the script, Google AI Studio for the voice, Flow AI for cinematic images, Grok to animate them, and CapCut to put it all together. All free. The master prompt that generates your entire video is in the description. Just copy and paste it and you're ready to start today. Comment history below and I'll personally help you set this up. And subscribe to AI Builder Lab because the next video I'm showing you a brand new AI niche that's currently getting 10 million views with almost zero competition.
A forgotten king once tried to become the richest man in history by creating unlimited gold. In the late 1400s, King Alaric of Valfera discovered a massive gold vein beneath his kingdom's mountains. Instead of guarding the discovery, he made a radical decision. He ordered his royal mint to produce coins day and night, flooding the empire with freshly stamped gold. At first, the kingdom celebrated. Markets exploded with wealth, merchants doubled their prices, and nobles filled entire vaults with glittering stacks of coins. Gold became so common that citizens carried bags of it just to buy bread. But the king refused to stop. Within a few years, gold lost its value completely. Food became impossible to afford. Trade collapsed, and the empire's economy shattered under the weight of endless wealth. By the time King Alaric realized his mistake, his golden fortune was worthless, and the richest king in history ruled the poorest kingdom on earth.